Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying DHCP and addressing so devices don't clash. Check your existing router's LAN settings and note its IP range. Next, plug an Ethernet cable from your router's LAN port into the Google Mesh WAN port. This puts mesh behind the router. Once done, power on the mesh node and wait about 60 seconds. Make sure status LEDs power up. Doing these steps first prevents double NAT and gives the mesh a clear upstream path for IP assignment. Open the Google Home app and follow Add Device. Choose the mesh unit you connected. When prompted, select Bridge Mode if you want the existing router to handle DHCP. Choose Router Mode only if you disable DHCP on the old router. Make sure to reserve or assign a static IP on the primary router for the mesh gateway so its address won't change. Once configured, push Settings and allow the mesh to reboot. This locks in routing behavior and prevents IP conflicts across the network. Add satellite nodes after the main gateway is stable. Position them roughly halfway to dead zones and keep 1 to 2 rooms between nodes for optimal mesh handoff. Once placed, run wired and wireless speed tests to confirm throughput and latency. Compare results to your ISB plan. If performance or connectivity problems arise, reboot the router and mesh, recheck bridge versus router mode to avoid double NAT, and verify Ethernet connections. Doing those checks resolves most common setup failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.